the Fox 54 Tower Cam Network. Brought to you by Brighter Side Roofing.
Mostly clear skies tonight across the CSRA. Here's a live look over I-20 exit 195 Hyatt Place, and we're going to start to see the dry air move in from here and slightly cooler temperatures at night as well for the next couple of days. Here's a look at some of those temperatures. Right now we have 62 degrees for Waynesboro, 61 degrees for Millen, 61 in Swainsboro, and 60 degrees up north towards Edgefield. The dry air, cooler conditions seen across the southeast, those dew points into the 50s and even to the 40s closer towards Nashville. 54 degrees for a dew point in Huntsville and 46 for a dew point towards Albany. For tonight, we're cooling off to about 50 degrees. This is going to be the coolest temperature we've seen in quite some time. Mainly that cold front moved through yesterday, providing that dry and cooler air for today. Our high was only about 79 degrees, which has been slightly cooler as well. Calm winds are going to be moving into tomorrow. Those winds then out of the west between 5 and 10 miles an hour, and 80 degrees for your high tomorrow is going to be a warm day. Also slightly on that dry side. There is a chance for a stray shower closer towards those eastern counties, mainly in the overnight hours between about 2 and 4 a.m. So if you work overnights, you're definitely going to see a brief shower closer towards Allendale or Bamberg. But if you wake up around 7 or 8, you're going to be seeing just a little bit of rain on the lawn there. Then the cloud coverage starts to barely make its way into the CSRA by the afternoon hours of Monday, and that's going to provide a beautiful sunset for tomorrow. So definitely get outside and enjoy the sunset for tomorrow afternoon. The next weather maker I'm eyeing is going to be low pressure from the Gulf of Mexico, and that's going to continue to move over the panhandle of Florida and to bring some of those showers and possibly some thunderstorms as well as we head into Wednesday all the way through next weekend. It's providing just enough moisture to most likely keep us wet through next weekend as well. So let's take a look at Thursday. This is about 6 a.m. You can see some of that unsettled weather, those showers. Some areas seeing some heavier showers as well, and this just continues to remain unsettled. This goes into Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, and then into Friday. You can continue to see just that green on the map there. That's going to keep us unsettled and bring some of those showers and thunderstorms. So take a look at that. Friday, our in-house models are suggesting that it is going to be pretty clear. However, we just have just enough atmospheric moisture from the Gulf that's going to provide that moisture through the weekend. And I'm thinking some unsettled weather in the mix as well. We are going to be having some thunderstorms in the mix once again Wednesday through Sunday. Temperatures are going to be into the 80s pretty much for the next 7 days. Some days into those upper 70s, 75 for Wednesday, and 77 degrees for Sunday. Those morning and afternoon, or those morning lows going to be about 57 for Thursday morning, 55 for Saturday morning. Feeling nice and pleasant in the mornings.